Today I said, no girl, you're not gonna sleep no more. It's time to make a new video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. With all of this free time, I decided to cut my hair shorter and to start a healthy curly hair journey. So if you guys want to go on this journey with me, don't forget to subscribe and also turn your bell notification on to get notified every time I post a new video. If you want to see how I achieved this look with all of the products of Auntie Jackie, please keep on watching. Of course, I just washed my hair with Auntie Jackie's Oh So Clean shampoo and also their In Control conditioner. I'm gonna be putting the pictures right here because with the lighting, you guys are not gonna be able to see what's on the bottles correctly. So what I have to tell about this shampoo, I think it's a good shampoo. I saw so many good reviews about it. So this shampoo says it's a moisturizing, softening shampoo, deep moisturizing, detangling hair bath for chronic dry hair, enriched with shea butter and olive oil. I saw so many people saying you don't have to use a conditioner while using this shampoo because it's so moisturizing. But for me personally, I don't think I can use it without a conditioner because it's a good shampoo. It leaves your hair different, like really different from the other shampoos I have used. Like normally I use so much shampoo on my hair, and for this one I use like 2 times in my hand, squish, and that's it. I did it 2 times, so it's like 4 pumps. And also it leaves your hair soft from inside. But for me, I really have to use a conditioner because I have dry hair, so it leaves your hair a little bit dry after, so I had to use this conditioner. And I have to tell you guys, this conditioner is bomb.com because it isn't only good, but it smells so good. So this conditioner says it's moisturizing, softening conditioner, enriched with shea butter and olive oil. So this one also have shea butter and olive oil in it, and I didn't even have to use that much conditioner. Like, look at this, I didn't really use that much for me to detangle my hair because normally I use so much shampoo and conditioner in my hair to wash my hair and then to detangle my hair because I detangle my hair in the shower. But this was so easy. And another secret that I have to tell you guys is about this brush. This is the Tangle Teaser brush, and this brush is so amazing. I saw so many good reviews on the internet, so I had to buy it. And I can't lie, this is a good brush for detangling your hair because it does it so fast. Next, we're gonna use the Curlala from Auntie Jackie. It's a defining curl custard for natural curls and coils, and it's enriched with shea butter and olive oil. We're gonna combine it with the flaxseed recipe Don't Shrink. This one is a flaxseed elongating curling gel, so we're gonna combine the moisturizing with the gel. I saw so many people saying this is a good combination, so we're gonna try it on my hair type and see how it's gonna look after that. Let's get into it. As you guys can see, I came out of the shower and I did my makeup, so that's why my hair is pretty dry right now. What we're gonna do, we're gonna start parting my hair. I'm really gonna part it in 2 sections and then I'm gonna part it again because we want some small sections. First, I'm gonna be making my hair wet again. And I'm gonna be putting the Curlala in my hair. This really smells good. Like, all the products smells so good. I'm also gonna put the product like in my root because we really want the product to soak in, and also to my ends. And we're gonna pick our tangle teaser and we're gonna brush it out, like to let the product sit in your hair. Gonna brush it, and you see why I like this brush? It really makes your hair curl. Like, look at this. Look at this definition, like without even using the gel. This is really definition. Now I'm gonna put the gel in my hair, the Don't Shrink gel. I'm gonna just use a little bit and we're gonna mix them together to see how it's gonna work. Now we're gonna go in with the tangle teaser. We're gonna do it like this, and then we're gonna separate the curls. We're gonna make the hair wet again. We're gonna use our tangle teaser. Our curl. We're gonna shake to activate, and we're gonna scrunch. Okay, so let's go to another part. Auntie Jackie, you owed it yourself. You're gonna shake. And scrunch. Like, this is a really good detangle because normally my hair is not even this easy to handle. So this is a really good detangler. So I really recommend you guys to try the tangle teaser. There's like so many other colors and also other sizes, but I think this one is the perfect size for me. Like, look at this. I think I'm gonna fast forward this video because otherwise it's gonna be a long ass video. So guys, we have gotten to the last part of the hair. Like, I'm excited. Gonna make it wet. Brush it out. Put some of the curlala in it. And the gel. Shake to activate. That's it. So guys, now that I have styled my hair, the last step I do before I let it air dry is to grab like a old t-shirt and to scrunch my hair with it. to get all the extra product out of it, all the water. What I also like to do is to turn my head over and scrunch my hair like this, so I can get that curly definition like this. Now this is what my hair looks like with the products in it. But I'm gonna go ahead and let my hair air dry, and I'm gonna come back to you guys for you guys to see how my hair is gonna look like with my hair dry. So see you guys soon. So guys, I'm back, and if you guys can see, my hair is pretty dry. This is like after 4 hours, so it's not fully dry yet, but it's okay. Guys, the next step is gonna be their oil, one of their oils. This one is the Repair My Hair Organ Oil, also from Auntie Jackie. This one says, enriched with Jamaican black castor, revives and conditions chronically dry hair and scalp, anti-breakage formula. So we're gonna try it. I heard this one is pretty thick. Let's see, because I love to put oil in my hair. But now we're gonna see how the consistency is. Yes, it definitely is pretty thick. You can feel it. Like, oh, this is really thick. Damn. Normally, the other oil that I use is not this thick. So the last thing I'm gonna use in my hair is this one. This one is their flexible styling glue. It's called Slick Superior Hold Moisturizing Molding and Sculpting Formula for hair and edges. So I'm gonna lay down my edges with this one. I'm gonna use this for laying down my edges, actually for the first time. But like, don't you think when you have your hair like this, you don't need to lay your edges down? Because girl, when the wind blows, everyone gonna see this crusty thing. So please lay down your edges, even though you can see them. When the air blows, I'm gonna be seeing some crusty edges. So let's see how this works. I normally lay down my edges with something else, but let's try it like this. It's pretty soft. Ooh, look at them edges, girl. Right here, what I always do right here is like this. And I keep these hairs right here to make like a small curl like that. I really like how this edge control is working, this glue. Also, another thing I have to say is I really like how the products work in my hair. The only thing, they said you couldn't like see the flaking, but I see my hair flaking, like when I turn my hair, I see white things falling off like snow, but it's not a big deal. Okay, so I'm definitely gonna be using this because look at my edges. I really like how it laid down my edges. So next step, I'm gonna be picking my hair just a little bit to make it look bigger. That's it for the product review of Miljantly's products. What I have to say about these products, what I really liked was the shampoo. This conditioner is so good. The Curl and the Don't Shrink, but I don't think they really go together like they said, because you can see no flaking in my hair. When I shake my hair, I can see like the white things falling down. And the thing I really liked was this oil. I'm definitely gonna be using this oil because it's so thick. But the only thing I'm gonna do is next time I'm gonna use the oil before letting my hair dry, because now that my hair is all dried up, when I'm gonna put the oil in my hair, it's gonna flat my hair a little bit, and I like it to be big and puffy. But the best of the best is this slick glue. I really liked how my edges were laid down with this product, and like when you go for a ponytail or something and you lay your edges like that, it's definitely gonna be beautiful. So I really like this one. But my conclusion, the products of Miljantly's are good. I like them. Some of the products I like more than the other ones, but they are good. And that's it. This was me reviewing some products of Miljantly. I really like how it came out. Definitely, if you like that puffy look, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you guys like how my hair came out, and also comment below what you guys think of this look, what you guys think about the product, which experience you have with the product, and comment below which other products you guys want me to review next. I really want to thank you guys for all your support. I really appreciate it, even though I haven't been posting new videos lately. But for now, I'm gonna be posting new videos every week. So don't forget to subscribe and also turn your bell notification on to get notified every time I post a new video. Bye!